Hello, I'm Tyler Rudek, Chief Investment Officer at Boyum Wealth Architects. Markets continue to navigate a range of macroeconomic headlines, from geopolitical tensions and rising oil prices to evolving tariff policy and new market highs. Today, I'll walk through three charts that help put these developments into perspective and highlight why long-term investors are best served by staying disciplined. First off, chart one touches on gasoline prices and OPEC dynamics. Gas prices have risen meaningfully, with the national average around $4.50 per gallon, contributing to higher headline inflation. The U.S. is now the largest energy producer, which reduces our economy's sensitivity to global oil shocks. OPEC's influence has declined over time, meaning geopolitical events can still impact prices, but typically with a less lasting market disruption. Chart 2 shows us tariff-related revenue over the last 16 or so years. Tariff policy remains in flux, with recent court rulings overturning key measures and adding uncertainty to trade policy. While new tariffs may continue under alternative legal frameworks, previously collected tariffs are now being refunded to businesses. These refunds could support corporate earnings and cash flow, even if they represent a return of prior costs rather than new economic gains. And finally, we're looking at a situation where stocks are trading at all-time highs. Despite ongoing macro uncertainty, the S&P 500 has continued to reach new all-time highs this year. Market volatility, driven by headlines, tends to fade over time and is rarely the driver of long-term performance. Corporate earnings and economic growth remain the primary forces behind sustained market gains. And that is it for this week. The bottom line is that while global events can influence markets in the short term, their impact often fades over time. Staying invested in a well-diversified portfolio and maintaining a long-term perspective remains the most effective way to navigate uncertainty and achieve financial goals. As always, please reach out if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.